Welcome to this new channel, y'all. Tesla Point of View Drives. Now, I'm not gonna be doing nothing crazy on this channel. Just if you guys like Teslas, you guys want point of views of Teslas, here it is. This is the channel for it. Now, since this is my first video, I'll just be like introducing it a little bit. I will have my windows down if that annoys you guys. I'm sorry. You could click off or you could stay on. Make sure you guys hit that like button though, so this video could blow up on the recommended page and we could get more viewers, you feel me, more subscribers and all that. And we already got a cop up there. Okay, so we're gonna not go that way. We'll take a different route home. But anyway, like I was saying, hold on. Let me get focused real quick. Alright. But anyway, like I was saying, I'm gonna post all Tesla point of view videos on here. I don't care how long they are. If they're 8 minutes, then they're 8 minutes. If they're 10 minutes, they're 10 minutes. If it's 30 minutes, it's 30 minutes, which I doubt I'll be doing. But yeah, so you guys will see all that. Give me feedback in the comments. Let me know what you guys would like different and all that, so I could do that. Alrighty. We could turn this off. There's low-key been hella cops out recently. Not gonna lie. And that's another thing. Not every video is gonna be like cutting up or freaking speeding or nothing like that. Some videos are gonna be casual, just cool, calm, collective, and some, you feel me, we will be cutting up. Maybe some will do like just freeway point of views or something like that, you feel me? Like I said, this video is gonna be the video with the most talking. After this, I doubt I'm gonna be talking that much. If I do, I do. What are y'all gonna do about it? It's very gloomy outside today. Oh shit, this is all to turn left? Bro. What the hell? That's wicked. Alrighty then. But, y'all, I would usually just pause the video right now, but since this is the first video, I will just be talking a little bit. This is the Tesla Model 3 2024 long range. That's what type of Tesla this is, for all you guys that are wondering. This is what the back's looking like. We got the black interior, gray exterior. Now, I still haven't wrapped the car yet. I do want to wrap it. It's just, that costs low-key quite a bit of money, so I haven't been wanting to wrap it, to be honest. Now we honk, because why the hell are they taking forever? Like, let's go. You guys are gonna be like, bro, don't honk, stop honking. Well, yeah, this is how I drive for the most part, okay? If I don't see people going at a green light, they're getting honked at. I low-key been getting better at like drifting this a little, not gonna lie. I don't know if that's because my tires are bald or what. That's another thing. I need to get new tires. Hella sirens, where are they coming from though? These cones are horrible. Everywhere there's cones. Right there, over there. I don't wanna talk, little bitch, run it in. Big body, yes, when I'm signing the bins. Laughing with that nigga, you get back with it. Oh God, dude. Forgot the music was on for a second. That was a little like 0 to 60 for y'all. Didn't even mean to. I need to get like my GoPro again or something. If you guys like the phone quality, then let me know. But damn, holding the phone versus it just being on your chest or your head, it's like kind of harder, not gonna lie. What the hell? What the hell? Boy, what the hell? We're about to go right now. The light just turned green. Bro, we better go. What the hell? What I was thinking is getting like a mount right here, a suction mount for the phone specifically. And then the phone could just be like this the whole time, maybe. Maybe that'll work. I think that would be lit too. Oh, there's a colt. That actually scared me for a minute. He like stopped for a little bit. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bro, and it's yellow. Damn. Can't get copyrighted. I feel like me talking during the point of view is just better. Damn, bro, we got a little buddy right here trying to do what I just did, but he's doing it worse. Let's see, if this car doesn't let him in, I'm not letting him in. Let's see what he do. He's gonna go. I'm not gonna be a dickhead. The person in front of me let him in, yo. It's like cone madness over here, yo. Catching every red light.
Nigga, I've been watching. Yeah, nigga, I've been watching. Police watching what I do. It's still right.
Like the video.